In episode 1 of SDVoE Live, we discussed a news piece centred around the trends and technologies which are keeping control rooms running. And this got us into thinking about how SDVoE technology fits into this too. This course will explore how the functionality of SDVoE can be used to support these environments while meeting the demands they all set. Command and control centres range in size and scope across many vertical markets. However, they all share common ground in their need for complete reliability. And as we see more shift towards IP-based distribution, flexibility, scalability and interoperability, these environments are managing and distributing more information than ever before, with a need to seamlessly integrate a diverse range of systems. So, with interoperability being a key part of its success, SDVoE technology is really well placed to support command and control. As we've discussed in many courses here on the SDVoE Academy, the move to software-defined video removes the need for expensive proprietary hardware. And this doesn't just apply to AV distribution systems either. It's the same for KVM solutions, video wall solutions and multi-view environments, all of which are supported by SDVoE technology and all of which are used within command and control centres. It's already recognised that customers are ultimately best served by software-defined workflows. So the market continues to be pushed towards standards-based and interoperable hardware and software products. Hardware and software products also need to be platforms which play nicely with other things needed in control room operations. And SDVoE technology has a wealth of built-in processing capabilities which meet the flexibility requirements of any command centre. The move towards AV over IP for control centres is extremely important, and yet these solutions must match and improve those localised proprietary options which are being made redundant. KVM operations play a key role, therefore the need for a zero latency solution to support this is paramount. Imagine dragging your mouse across the desk only to find the cursor not matching your every move immediately. Furthermore, in a more mission-critical environment, whereby the user needs to work with 4K content, the technology has to be up to the job, and that means using the right AV over IP solution. Customers who run command centres are much wiser to IP-based solutions. In fact, they're already embracing them as the next big step, and this is good news, because it means that their IT teams are also more willing to understand how they must adapt their data networks to converge successfully with AV, something which is still largely not considered properly when deploying any AV over IP solution. You should check out the IT over AV course here on the SDVOE Academy to learn about how this simple yet effective concept can help you to create a truly converged network, something which is very important for command and control centre applications. Command centres often require groups of people to be able to quickly switch between sources, whether it be to work on something of their own or to collaborate with others to share work before perhaps pushing these feeds to the main displays. SDVoE technology caters for this perfectly, with the ability to fast switch between as many sources as required, either using a single display, a video wall layout, or even a multi-view application. The software client which drives this switching can be operated quickly and easily by multiple users on the system. You don't even need to be in the same building, further supporting the need for any environment to support remote control and management. Finally, and most importantly, unlike any other hardware or software-defined system in the market today, SDVoE guarantees interoperability. This is something which is not just a preference for command and control centers, it's a requirement.